Joining two pieces of wood together like a leg to a tabletop, it's a common woodworking problem, and there's lots of solutions to it. One solution, it's interesting, is threaded inserts and TNuts. We'll be looking at two types of hardware here, threaded inserts and TNuts. Here we have two threaded inserts, a barrel-shaped insert and a tapered one, and these two are TNuts. I'm going to give you a brief demonstration on how to install these inserts, so let's get started. With all of these, drilling the proper sized hole is important. Once that is done, you need to drive them into the wood. The method I prefer is to use a threaded hex head bolt. Add a couple of nuts to the bolt, turn the insert onto the bolt, and then use a ratchet to drive it home. Mounting a tapered threaded insert is very much the same. Bore a properly sized hole, the package should specify. Rather than a homemade tool to seat the tapered insert, they are made to accept an Allen wrench. Note that these inserts have a flange. Depending on use, you may prefer to bore an additional hole to seat them flush to the surface. Now we're moving on to TNuts and into controversy. Well, not so much controversy as just a disagreement. One of my readers challenged my assertion that TNuts are weak when they are in tension. His contention is that when used properly like this, TNuts are very strong, and he is correct. He also claims that nobody in their right mind would install a TNut as I'm showing here. I would disagree. With screw-in TNuts, there's a center hole for this barrel here, but there's also a recessed larger hole that allows the TNut to sit flush to the surface. Then 3 screws are driven in to secure it in place. So that's a quick primer on installing threaded inserts and TNuts. I hope you found the video interesting and maybe helpful. I'm Johnstone from Woodworker's Journal. Thank you for watching.